Hi everyone.
Hello, let's learn English grammar.
Topic the sentence. Let's learn the sentence. A sentence is a group of words arranged in the correct order that makes complete sense. A sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. For example, going Delhi am I too. So you have to make a meaningful sentence. I'm going to Delhi. More examples. I like her. She loves me. My brother and I are going to market. Tell the groups of words which are sentences. First, give me a watch. It is not a sentence. Second, my own house. It is also not a sentence. Geet is going to park. So it is a sentence. Donald Trump was the president of USA. It is a sentence. Practice exercise. I yesterday saw car red a. So correct answer. Yesterday I saw a red car. Second, 2, 2 and 4 make. Answer 2 and 2 make 4. Third, long neck a has giraffe. Answer, a giraffe has a long neck. Please
Like,
like,
subscribe,
subscribe, and
and
share
share
Learning
Learning
Brightly.
Brightly.
Thank
Thank you.
you.